I'm Greg Piper with United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today, I'm on board a 340 Sundancer. It's a 1989 Sea Ray, and I'm going to take you on a virtual tour. So, you can control the camera. Use your mouse, tilt your phone, or use your finger on your screen. So, we're beginning this tour down here in the main cabin. When this boat came out in 1986, it was a big time seller for Sea Ray. Some subtle changes happened over the years, but the essence of the boat has always remained the same. Now, a notable feature on this boat in 1989 is the full width V-Berth. Just have a look behind you and have a look there. Now, it's separated by privacy curtains. Now, you do enter into a beautiful U-shaped galley that features all the comforts of your home kitchen, including a small freezer, refrigeration, stove, microwave, and a coffee maker. Standard issue with all of these boats. Boat has air conditioning. Also features a midcabin. Now, the midcabin cushions come out, and you can have a secondary seating area in the back. But at nighttime, you can shut the curtains, and it's private. Now, the boat sleeps 2 additional guests here in the convertible dinette. So, sleeping for 6 persons down below here in this boat. Now, like all of the larger Sea Rays, you get yourself a Sealand vacuum flush type system. You have hot water, of course, and a shower. Okay, so we're going to move up to the main cockpit. Really where this boat shines is the enormous cockpit here. We've got offset double wide benches. I set the camera down here over the engines. Full rear bench, extended swim platform through the transom gate, full camper. You have electric windlass on this boat. Basic electronics with a GPS VHF radio. Has a nice stereo system on board, and also has your full features for your engine controls. Down below, find your generator. It's has approximately 600 hours on it. Engines have 900 hours. They're 454 gas engines with V-drives. So here we are. This is a 340 Sundancer 1989, and it's offered for sale. It can be found on our website, UnitedCityYachts.com. Please reach out, give me a call. I'm Greg Piper. Thanks for watching.